This is DZEC 1062 kilohertz Radyo Aguila, a commercial AM station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with license from the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number BSD-0221-2021-0937, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2024. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila broadcasts from 4 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock midnight with a power of 40,000 watts. Our studio is located at number 25 Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. And our transmitter is located at Barangay Paliwas, Obando, Bulacan. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila is under the supervision of the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics Engineer Erickson Ventura, ECE number 44844. Electronics Engineer Arturo Pascua Jr., ECE number 43934. With first-class radio telephone operators. Our studio personnel, Enrico Erbite, registration number 94-1RTG-7204. Gracious Pascual, registration number 92-3PNCR-352. Our transmitter personnel, Mervin Ortiz, registration number 94-1PNCR-10851. Ronel Mariado, registration number 13-1PNCR-26656. DZEC 1062 kilohertz Radyo Aguila now welcomes you to another day of broadcasting activity.
Decades of excellence in broadcast communication. EBC, Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. DZEC 1062 sa Mega Manila, WIN 1080 sa Northern Luzon, DZEL 1260 sa Southern Saga, UYFX 1305 sa Visayas, at DXED 1224 sa Southern Mindanao. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. Mabilis, malakas, pumapagaspa.
Narito mga balitang sinutukan ng mata ng Aguila. Patuloy na pagdinig ng Senado sa PDEA leaks lalong uminit matapos magkabanggaan sina Senador Jingo Estrada at ex-PDEA agent Jonathan Morales. National Security Council nababahala sa mga tinatayong struktura ng China sa Sabina Shoal. Philippine Coast Guard sinisikap na pigilan ang artificial structure. 2 pisong tapya sa presyo kada litro ng gasolina ipatutupad bukas. El Nino posibleng matapos na sa Hunyo, pero mas malaking danyos ito asahan. Pagmula ng yelo, naranasan sa ilang lugar sa Quezon City. Kamara handa makipag-usap sa Senado para sa pag-amyenda ng Rice Tariffication Law. Sa police beat, lolo na nagtago ng 4 na taon sa kasong pangahalay, arestado. Planta ng yelo sa Pasay, nagkaroon ng ammonia leak. Mga Rubisponde, nahirapan huminga. At sa balitang abroad, 41 nasawi sa flash flood at cold lava flow sa Indonesia.